Hi mga boss, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we're covering the legendary mount that will make you stronger in Rohan 2. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo. So ayun mga boss, meron tayo dito unique, no? And meron siyang movement speed plus 100%, skill cooldown reduction plus 35%, meron din siyang damage reduction plus 30%, and increase HP potion plus 50%. So meron din tayo dito sa mythical na Silent Neo. So meron siya movement na speed plus 75%. Meron siyang skill cooldown reduction plus 30%, damage reduction plus 30%. Meron rin tayong itong parang kabayon, no? So ayan, may movement din siya na plus 75%, may skill na cooldown reduction plus 30%. So meron rin tayo dito Aris, no? So ayan, ayan, movement speed plus 75%, skill cooldown reduction plus 30%, damage reduction plus 20%, increase HP potion plus 25%, and meron din tayong Lunarian. Then ayan, movement niya plus 75%, then skill niya na cooldown reduction plus 30%, damage reduction plus 30%, increase HP potion, no, 25%. Then meron tayong Solarion plus 75%, skill reduction niya plus 30%, damage reduction plus 30%. Then meron tayong ayan, X-Rise. So yung speed na movement niya plus 55, no. Then meron tayong Magnus. Yung speed na movement niya is up plus 55%, skill cooldown reduction plus 22%, max HP niya is 20%, no. Then meron naman tayong Astra. Then ang movement speed niya is plus 55%, skill cooldown reduction plus 22%. Then meron tayong Aslan. Yung movement din niya is plus 55%, skill niya na cooldown reduction is plus 22%. So meron tayong Emperor dito, movement speed niya is plus 55%, cooldown reduction niya is plus 22%. Then ayan, may Dread naman, movement speed niya is plus 55, skill reduction plus 22. Then ayan, may Hatain. So 55 din yung reduction na percent na movement speed niya, skill cooldown reduction plus 22. Doon meron naman tayong ganito, no, Shariros o Shariro, no. Doon meron naman tayong Sen Duetal. Ayan yung movement na speed niya plus 55%, then skill cooldown reduction plus 22. Then meron naman tayong Altiras. So yung movement din niya is plus 55, skill cooldown reduction plus 22. Lazarus is ganun din, movement speed plus 55. Then ayan, Arus, yung movement niya speed is plus 55, then skill niya na cooldown reduction plus 22. Then meron tayong Druma. Yung movement speed niya is plus 55 din na percent, then skill cooldown plus 22%. Then ito yung gamit ko sa Ancient, no, Chaos. Yung movement niya na speed is plus 40%, skill cooldown plus 15%, reduce, common. So ayun lang yung i-share ko sa inyo na legendary mount na kung saan pwede kayong lumakas sa Rowan 2, no? So hanggang dito na lang yung video. Maraming salamat. Comment kayo sa comment down below kung ano yung mount na gamit nyo. Maraming salamat. Kita tayo sa susunod na video. Bye!